Hello viewer, I want to make this twisted headband, and the material that we need are this material, any color of your choice, and this is 24 inches by 4, 24 inches, 24 inches by 4 inches. I'm sorry, by 4 inches. So I cut 3 pieces of this, since it is braided headband. So I cut 3 pieces, and this one for the elastic here, I cut 15 inches by 3 inches, 15 inches by 3 inches. Then we will need matching thread, then elastic. So this elastic, I will just cut 5 inches. Then I need fiber. You may decide to use foam, but fiber is preferable. So I'm going to show this one now. I'm going to fold it into 2, then show it down to 3. Then I will do this one too, the same thing. Before I will come and be inserting this one, the fiber inside. So I've already finished showing it. Now let me say something here. This one, I said I cut 24 inches by 4 inches. Your own can be wider than that one. If you want your band to be big, if you want it to be bigger than this, then make sure you cut your clothes wider than 4 inches. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. You may not use scissors to turn your own inside out too, because if care is not taken, you can mistakenly cut it with your scissors. So please don't use scissors to turn your own inside out if you are not perfect with it. You can use your screwdriver, or look for something that is long that you can just insert inside to turn it out. So this is for the elastic. Let me put this one aside there. So I'm now going to fill it with the fiber. I just tuck in the fiber. So now I've finished tucking in the fiber. This is the outcome. So I will secure the end here. I'm going to secure it with pin, then take it to the machine and show it. So I will show it. Then this one, I'm going to insert this elastic inside this one. I'm going to secure this place so that the elastic will not go inside. So you secure this place now so that the elastic will not go inside. Then bring it out at the other end. Make sure you wash your hands so that the pain will not wound you. So now take it to the machine and sew and stitch together. Now that you have stitched that place, it's now to braid it. Then make sure you arrange that place properly. You can use your machine to press it down or ask somebody to help you to hold this. And make sure that as you are braiding it, the stitching area is under the band. Don't let it scatter. Let every of the stitching area be under. And as you are braiding it, make sure that you are adjusting it. If you want to learn how to make different types of headbands and how to start your headband business, you can call me or send message to the number on the screen. And do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, I say thank you. So we are going to fix this one like this. And fold this one on top. Fold this one on top. Then you sew it secured. Then you do the other side like that too on your machine. So after showing on the machine, this is the outcome of a braided headband. So you just turn that one, that side that we sew together, you turn inside and use the one that you use to overlap it to cover the stitches. So just like that. And we are now having our braided headband. See how fine it is. And if you want to learn how to do it, my number is being displayed on the screen. And if you want it in bulk, retails and wholesales, I'm available. So send a DM to the number that is being displayed on the screen. Bye bye.